Hello, it's Kristin here. Welcome to my channel. This is the place where we explore health optimization tools that bring you from comfort to courage. There are amazing video, interviews, tutorials, breathwork, cold exposure, biohacking galore, and a ton of wellness tools that I know will change the way that you optimize your health. We tap deep into the research where science meets energetics and really speak about the frequency of what it is to be optimally well as a human. I've been in the wellness optimization industry coaching and leading other coaches for 20 plus years. And what I really want to do is share practical tools with you so that you can apply them to your life in an easy, understandable format. We're all facing so many challenges and opportunities in life, and I want you to use this information to capitalize on your dreams so that you can make your life everything you want it to be. You're going to find a multitude of things on this channel, and one of the biggest ones is the opportunity to share time with these prolific thinkers on the Well Power podcast episodes. So don't miss those. So I'm asking you, subscribe and come along for the ride where we can do health optimization together.